I'm going to try to show you how to go on to Thinkcentral with your students so you can see all the different possibilities and view all these different lessons that your child is working on in class. So I found the best way is to just Google search for Thinkcentral, and it will be the top hit. So you just click on it. This screen will come up and you can see all these different menu bars that you need to pick. So just go through and select the ones that are appropriate for your child. You're going to want to remember the school. I'm going to sign in as a student, and you can see the computer will start to remember for you. So after you are logged in, Sycamore's passwords is 12345. You will come up on this screen, and this screen is super powerful. So the first thing I want to show you is my library. This can be really, really helpful for those tricky lessons. Our Go Math program has some great videos in here to show you. But there's also a lot of different icons, and it looks pretty confusing because it is. So the first thing that I want to show you is the Interactive Student Edition book. This is it right here. So you click on it, and you would find the chapter and the lesson that your class is on. And this interactive ebook is terrific. It will go through and actually teach your child whatever the lesson is.
Hi again. It's a lovely day out here.
This
but it rained and
this is
rained
really a
last
nice
night.
program
Sometimes
for you
that
to go
happens
through.
in
There's
the
questions
desert.
and things like
See
that. But we're going to kind of skip over that for now. So this is an Interactive Student Edition, a great tool. Another really nice tool in your library is the Go Math animated math models. There are, for this student, it would be third grade, I would say 50 of the most important skills that you can work on. And these do a great job of teaching and practicing. And this is what one of the skills looks like.
Using AM or PM helps you know what time of the day or night it is. A timeline can help you understand.
So as you can see, there's lots of different things. There's independent practice and even a quiz feature with each of these animated math models. So this is a great place for you to go if you're a teacher or if you notice that your child is lacking a skill. What else is here? The Mega Math in the library is really cool. It's exactly that. It's Mega Math games for the kids to play. And there's so many games and things that you could click on. But the kids like this. It's a great review of skills and a fun way for the kids to get some learning done. Let's see. There's some real world videos that are really cool. The kids like watching those. Your kids' math book is all online also. So if your student decides to forget their math book in class, you can pull this up and navigate this as an e-text. So that's pretty straightforward. You can search by contents and go through this. So that's pretty cool. The next thing I wanted to show you on Thinkcentral is what your child sees in class is the things to do. So here's all of the assignments that this particular student needs to do or has been assigned to them, whether or not they need to do it or not. And to view these, you just click and click again, and this assignment starts. I'm not going to do Ben's assignment here for him, but it looks like this. And when you're all done answering the questions, you would turn it in, save and close in case you get distracted and you need to finish it later. One of the aspects of Thinkcentral that is so nice for the kids is that they can review their answers. You can view every single thing that is assigned and that your child completes and how they did on it. But it also allows you to take a look at exactly the answers that your kids put in. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So you continue to click and you will pull up your student's test. So here is how Ben did on the Chapter 2 pretest. He did really well at 78%. He did a great job. And you can see the question numbers, what kind of question it was, and then how your student scored. So if you click on question, well, let's take a look at question 2. You click question 2, it tells you the standard, but I want to view the question. So this is going to show me the correct answer, and it's also going to show me what Ben or your student filled out. So here's the correct response. And here's what Ben put. So we can analyze this and we can look down to see exactly where he made his mistake that he didn't get all the points. And it seems to be right in here. So then you can talk to your student about this mistake. Question 8, let's take a look. So you click question 8, click view question. And once again, it shows you the correct answer and what answer your student put. So looking at Ben here, he put 36 opposed to 35. I'm guessing that Ben did everything right. He just made a computation mistake. So this is really helpful to the teacher. It can be really helpful to you as a parent as you go through these different assignments and different questions with your own student. I think that is kind of a gist of everything on Thinkcentral. But please let your teacher know if you have any more questions. You can also ask your student. They're pretty familiar with this web platform also. So I hope this helps.